For 15 years, Boston Dynamics Atlas has been the most advanced humanoid robot on Earth. But you couldn't buy it. Until now, maybe. December 22nd, 2025, Hyundai announces they're unveiling their AI Robotics Strategy at CES. And buried in the announcement is the line everyone's been waiting for. Boston Dynamics will bring the new Atlas out of the lab for the first time. A tangible step toward commercialization. Let me explain why this matters. Hyundai paid nearly $1 billion for Boston Dynamics in 2021. They didn't do that to make viral videos. They did it to solve manufacturing problems, labor shortages, dangerous tasks, quality consistency. If Hyundai says Atlas is moving toward commercialization, they believe it can work at scale in real factories. The economics make sense. The technology is ready. But here's what nobody knows yet. The price, the availability timeline, which manufacturing tasks it will handle first, whether small businesses can afford it, or if it's only for massive manufacturers. CES is January 5th. That's when we'll get answers. But here's the question you should be asking right now. Even if Atlas becomes available, should you wait for it? Or is there something else you can deploy sooner? Because Atlas will likely be expensive, well into 6 figures, and it might not be available until late 2026 or even 2027. Meanwhile, there are industrial robots you can buy and deploy today. Robots with proven track records in production environments. Robots at price points that actually make sense for small to medium manufacturers. We just published the complete industrial robot comparison at MyRobot.shop. Every option side by side. Commercial robots available now. Research platforms still in development. Estimated pricing. Proven deployments. Filter by your industry and budget. See what you can actually buy today versus what you'd be waiting years for. Because Atlas might be the benchmark. But if you need automation now, waiting 2 years isn't a strategy. MyRobot.shop. Compare what's available today.